Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life. Today was beautiful because it was our very first snow of the season. Today I was able to peacefully get a bunch of stuff done around the house, which was really nice. I did some cleaning and some cooking, and Dan actually took my shopping list and made his way to Trader Joe's for me today. So I'm going to show you everything that we picked up from there. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It not only lets me know what you like to see, but it supports my channel and it helps to grow our community. So with that being said, let's hop right in. So I had to start off the video with by far the most exciting part of the day, which is the fact that it snowed here in Nashville. I don't know what that face was that I was making, by the way. The pups loved running around in it, and I thought I would show you what was going on with our garden, which, by the way, the update is that the only plants that look like they're surviving are our garlic, which is great. We really want that garlic to survive and thrive, but RIP the rest of our fall garden. By the way, clearly snow is still like a novel thing to me. When I wake up and look out my window and see it, I'm still shook. That never happened in Southern California. And I had to bring my camera along when we went to run some errands because it was so beautiful out. It was this perfect combination of like fall and winter. The trees were golden, there was snow on the ground, the sky was clear. It was absolutely beautiful. So we made our way over to a local restaurant, and I had to show you this mural. There are murals all over town in Nashville. That's kind of like the Nashville signature city look. But yeah, so we made our way to Milk and Honey. We picked up some sourdough bread to bring home with us to freeze. And I thought I would just show you how much amazing stuff they have in their restaurant, because yes, they are a restaurant, but they also serve all of these other like sweets and treats and drinks and cookbooks and honey and all kinds of yummy things. There's Dan and I casually chatting and laughing on the drive back home. So the pups are chilling every day of the week, let's be honest, but they were chilling on this day and they're just so cute. I had to get some pup shots, but honestly, what are my videos without pup shots? Now in the diffuser, I decided to put some Northern Lights black spruce. On a side note, I get so many questions about this shelving unit that was given to me by my friend Kendall. I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out, because like I said, I get asked about this a lot. So yeah, by the way, if you are ever interested in any essential oils stuff or information, feel free to send me a DM on my oils Instagram account, because I am a distributor with Young Living. All of that information will be linked below as well. I've mentioned this before, but I actually really like doing laundry. I have multiple friends who that's their least favorite task, but I don't really mind it. It's kind of like a clean job. I don't have to get dirty like the dishes, and I enjoy taking inventory of my stuff. Also, here are more shots of Zoe looking like an angel. So you might be looking at this blanket and being like, Nikki, where did you get this luxurious blanket? Well, I'm about to tell you because luxurious is the perfect word. I don't know, maybe cozy is another really great word, but my mom actually owns a blanket business called Don't Freak. It's faux. Yes, LOL to that name. And her blankets are incredible. And she actually gave me a code last week to share with you guys. So if you are on the hunt for a gift this holiday season, or you're looking just for a cozy blanket for yourself or a friend, family member, whatever, I could not suggest these more. They're the softest blankets I've ever touched in my life, and I'm not just saying that. I will have her website linked down below, but if you use the code Nikki10, you will get 10% off of your order. Seriously, happy shopping. Now, from one side of the family to the other, this is super random, but I've never shown this painting, and I thought it was appropriate since it was snowing today. My father-in-law, so Dan's dad, Jim, painted this, and he's just a really talented painter, and I thought I would show you. And yeah, now on to another random thing in the day. I decided that I wanted to put on some of these DHC eye patches. There are a lot of times where I'm around the house, I like just putting on some kind of beauty treatment for a part of the day. So after I put those on, I figured I would show you my basil plant, which is currently thriving and living its best life. I'm actually going to show you how I make pesto with this basil plant in one of my upcoming Day in My Life videos later this week. So at this point, Dan had made his way home from Trader Joe's. I thought I would show you everything that he picked up for me. Oranges, I'm obsessed with oranges all the time, but especially pregnant. Avocados, I always love avocados. Hemp seeds that I like to throw in smoothies. These truffle Marcona almonds and these rosemary almonds, which are just super tasty to me. Some organic baby spinach for cooking and putting in smoothies. He also picked up some macadamia nuts as well as this white cheddar popcorn, which is really more of a Dan thing, but I like to have a couple bites here and there. Also, Dan, who is not a chocolate fan, loves these sea salt butterscotch niblet things. He puts them in the freezer. And then we picked up some everything but the bagel seasoning. Dan, the mountain man, bent over to say hello. He also got a couple of blocks of our favorite cheese, this unexpected cheddar cheese, this delicious mustard garlic aioli. I use it in dressings and on sandwiches. These other smoked nuts that I don't like one bit, but Dan loves. Also, he picked me up a fresh block of goat cheese, a fresh butternut squash, some more white wine to cook with, a couple of organic Bartlett pears. And then, yeah, I put everything away and I decided to cut up an apple, have some almonds and a cheese stick for a snack. And then I filled up my Hydro Flask to the brim with my Berkey water. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing a review of this, by the way, soon, because this water is legitimately incredible. Now, if you saw my last Day in My Life where we made our way to the farmer's market, we picked up this huge head of purple cauliflower, and Dan had cooked a little bit of it on that day. And on this day, he decided to make the rest. Now, the irony is I actually pulled out these cauliflower crackers from Aldi to nosh on while he was cooking actual cauliflower. And if you've never tried these are surprisingly good. They taste nothing like Cheez-Its, but they're delicious. So once Dan chopped up the cauliflower, he put it on a baking sheet and added some olive oil, I think just some salt and pepper. And then I decided I needed another snack apparently. So I made this grilled cheese on sourdough bread. This video is all over the place. I hope that's okay. And then when the cauliflower came out, he added some lemon juice, some chili pepper flakes, tossed that together. I pulled out a black cherry Waterloo, and we enjoyed our evening snacks while cuddling with the pups and just, yeah, hanging out. Is this cruel of me? She's just so cute. I love my dogs. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I will hopefully be back here very soon with another new video. I have a food video coming up this week that I can't wait to share with you guys because I was obsessed with all of the food, which makes me think that you will be too. I will also leave a link to my playlist of all of these Day in My Life, Week in My Life videos if you're in, I don't know, a binge mood. And that's it. All right. Bye, guys.